In this video, we're going to convert a MOV file to an audio file on your Mac. Now for this tutorial, you're going to need GarageBand, which is part of Apple's iLife 11 series. First, I'm going to locate my MOV file on my Mac, which I put on my desktop. Then you're going to go to Open GarageBand, which I put down here on the bottom. It takes a minute for it to open up. There it is. Then you're going to select New Project. Then you're going to select Podcast. Then you're going to name what it is that you want to call the project. And I'm just going to call it, because I've done this before, so I had a copy, College Project 2. I'll do it 3 because I think I did 2 already. And then create. Then you're going to take your college project, move it over just a smidgen, grab your MOV file, drag it into the interface. Then it says a project can contain either a podcast track or a movie track. Do you want to replace the podcast track with the movie track? Then hit replace. Move it back over in the middle of your screen. Now this MOV file is just basically my husband shooting part of some furniture and with his voice on it. So it is now compiling the information. It takes a minute for it to do that. You have to just wait until you see the waveforms come in the middle of the screen, which takes a little bit of time. Now you want to edit your audio in GarageBand. I'm not going to go into detail on how to edit your audio in GarageBand, but it's very easy. There are many resources out there. You can go to wonderhowto.com and they have one video on how to edit your audio in GarageBand, which is pretty simple and it's free. Or you can go about going to lynda.com, which has a number of videos that are great, and they have a subscription service, which I do have as well. And a guy by the name of Garrick Chow, he does a pretty excellent job on editing podcasting in GarageBand, and it's in GarageBand 08. But all the information applies to GarageBand 11. Now that you've finished editing your audio, you want to share it to iTunes. Go up to the top of the screen, hit share, and we can send the song to iTunes. We can actually export it to disk if you wanted to just burn it to disk, but more than likely you're trying to edit it to put it into iTunes, so then you can put it in another application to edit it into, let's say, a video or something like that. But if you want to export it to a disk, you can do that. You can also send it to a podcast on iWeb. But if you do send it to iTunes, then you select the top selection. You put your name of your audio selection in here, and I'm going to put College Intro 3 Edition. It's only because I have so many of them. My name, the composer's name, well, the artist's name would be my husband's name, but I'm not going to put that in there right now. You're going to compress, have this checked. You're going to select either MP3 or AAC. Now either one will work inside of iTunes. And we're going to select MP3. You also have high quality, good quality, which is much smaller size. But if you're editing, you more than likely want high quality or higher quality. Higher quality is a much larger file. It'll take more space up on your computer. It's usually for when you have a lot of different musical components, you'd want higher quality. So middle of the road is usually good. And then hit share. Now it's going to mix down and send it to iTunes. All right. There's the audio from my video. So I've just converted my MOV to an MP3. And that's how you change an MOV to an MP3 easily through GarageBand. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you come back to visit kissmediacast.com for more videos where we try to keep it simple.